Hi, Mark from NueVue here. A few years ago I came across a really rather disturbing fact. Did you know that your phone is covered in almost a whopping 250,000 bacteria, and on top of that almost certainly has got streaks of all over it? I certainly found that a bit disturbing, and I suspect you probably did too. However, how are we going to solve this issue? I don't want to pass my dirty phone around to my kids. We're looking around for a way of dealing with it. Well, one thing I could do, a massive backpack full of wipes and disinfectants and hand cleaning things, and the moment I finish wiping my phone, you know what? Wipe it on my trousers, wipe it on my jumper. It's just dirty again. So this wasn't an appropriate solution for us. As a small entrepreneurial family business, we thought this issue probably mattered to a lot of other people too. So that's why we decided to come up with a really rather elegant solution. Cases that are able to not only kill bacteria, but clean your phone and tablets as well. So it all started a couple of years ago. My dad and I are wandering around our local phone store, and you can picture it. There's kids running around, dribbling noses. Next thing they're using some kind of tablet. If I'm really honest, some guy scratching where the sun don't shine. Next thing he's picking up a phone. And we're looking and we're watching all of the staff in the phone store wandering around, hurriedly getting out dirty handkerchiefs or whatever cloth or wiping things, trying to make things clean. But obviously, probably not going to work all that well. Well, you know what? Went home, started doing a bit of research, and my dad and I are looking around and came up with some really rather disturbing facts about what actually is on the surface of your phone or your tablet. For example, 80% of the bacteria that we know causes illness is passed around on our fingertips and our hands as we put our fingers in our ears or our eyes or our mouth. Where are all that bacteria coming from? Well, given I said earlier, 250,000 bacteria and poo on your phone, and the average person picks up their phone at least 50 times a day, well, that is probably where many of your illnesses are coming from. Spots, acne, simple stuff like that, rashes for example, but much more disturbing, stomach bugs, potentially colds and flus, and many different types of illnesses beside. So we searched high and low for a solution to this common problem, couldn't find anything. Take it on upon ourselves, and we have created what we think is the ideal approach. Take a while to look around the website. There's loads of information here, a bit about why the cases were made, what they're made, all some of that technical stuff if you're interested. And of course, there'll be loads of information and different options to pick up something maybe for yourself, maybe for a friend or a family member.